ঠিক আছে। So the bike I'm riding right now, it's called a Gixxer. Um, it's a Gixxer, not like a GSXR or something, but just a GI XXR. And it's my friend's bike. I'm gonna show you guys like the full view of it. I hope the cockpit view is nice, I hope. And I took it to a quiet area so that I can ride freely and talk. And this is a 155cc motorcycle. Now you might find it very weird because in the US we don't get 155cc's, I guess, maybe, unless I'm wrong, and you have to honk. Because in Bangladesh we do honk just to let each other know that somebody is there. And yeah, this is pretty much it. And I'll show you guys the bike once I find a nice spot for it. I'm not sure what sort of a place that is. Perhaps I should go left. Are you going left? No? Alright, so yeah. And I'm so used to not shifting this early. It's because I ride a 400, as you know, and but I also learned motorcycles on 150 bikes like this. It was a CB Hornet 160R, and oh, the mirrors. Upsie. No neutral? Neutral. That's it. Yeah. So I learned on a CB Hornet 160R. That was a 160cc motorcycle. Typically bigger than this, I think, or maybe smaller than this. I don't know. And these bikes are really nice in terms of power, mileage, and stuff. Yeah, I mean, if you compare US highways, of course, they will struggle a lot, but if you compare the scene in Bangladesh, there is another road. Let's go on that road and talk. Okay, these bikes are pretty nice. In fact, they're the most popular choices for motorcycles in Bangladeshi market. Looks like something is going on in this road. I don't know. Dead end. We have hit a dead end. Can I do it without touching the ground? Yeah, boy. Alright, so I think this is a nice and quiet place, so maybe I will just talk about it. So let me show you the view of the bike. I'll get on the dash later. So as you can see, this is the motorcycle, and it's 515. So this is the Gixxer SF. It's a single channel ABS with FI, and my friend has taken some really good care of it. The dirts are because of the dirts in the road, and from this side it's also the same. It's a 155, I think air cooled, probably. Most probably air cooled, I guess. Air cooled engine. And this is the front look. It looks a little bit ugly. I mean, compared to the nice Gixxers you have in America, but this is a based and in Bangladesh, and in 150cc segment it's like 155 cc's. Again, people are looking at me, so I need to find another quiet place where I can talk easily. Shit. And this is the cockpit view. If I turn on the light, this is how it looks. And this will also I think my friend put a projector over here. You can see the check engine light, the trips. Like, as you can see, he already finished 7,487 kilometers and stuff like that. So let's find a quieter place and then we'll talk. So this is a good bike. Like in Bangladesh, this is a very good bike. I don't know where this thing goes, but let's see. Oh, there's another road. Maybe I can go over to that side. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh fuck no! Oh fuck no! Doggies! Doggies! Oh fuck no! Doggies! Bro, when I tell you, you need to be fearful of the dogs of Bangladesh, especially on a motorcycle. Trust me, I say this from experience. Like, not all of them. Hey, chicken! Up, up! Thank you. Yeah, so yeah, oh, this road is nice. We go there. Let's go. I just like how the brakes feel on this bike, and how easy it is to maneuver. I don't know if it's because when I was learning on a 160cc, they felt heavy, and now that I ride a 400 on a daily basis, I mean, even in America, I know in America I have a lot of space and stuff like that. So, ooh, goats, goats, me. Ah, this is a nice place. I will stop here. Let's put it on neutral. Oh no, second gear. Seriously, bro? Okay, it's fine. So I'll show you. So this is the dash. Nothing fancy about it. This is the whole bike. Not a very big bike. Anyone can ride it. These are the lamps. They're pretty bright. In the night you can actually see the road. This is a plate number. You won't be able to do shit with it. You won't be able to find his address with it. So there you go. And he made some crash guard modifications, and yeah, but look at the view. It's nice. And the goats. Yes, of course, the goats. I mean, this looks pretty badass, don't you think? So this Gixxer is not a GSXR. We do have a GSXR, and it's a GSXR 150. But again, this is a Gixxer. But I like this bike. If I have to stay in Bangladesh for a while, I'll probably get this one. And then there is another motorcycle called the GPX Damon or something. Maybe I'll look into that as well. So yeah, this is a Gixxer. And oh, in terms of horsepower and stuff, those are something you can actually Google. You can just really Google the whole thing. I think it's not much, like 15 or 16 bhp perhaps, or maybe 17 bhp. And the torque, well, the torque is around, I guess, the same, like 14-15, something like that. I always forget, like it should be a left. It should be a left, right? We should go left, yeah. So in Bangladesh, we drive on the left side of the road, not on the right side. And I always forget that I have to shift up because it's a 150cc, red line's at 9,000 RPM. Someone else is trying to teach their friend how to ride. Someone is teaching their I don't know who on how to drive. I always forget the fact. And I'm on the wrong side of the road. Because I drive in the USA, I'm used to taking the right as right. But the view is nice. Oh, this is a nice bike. I'm on the wrong side or the right side? Should I go this way or that way? I am on the wrong side of the road. Yep, I should go that way. So, let's see. Should I light up a smoke? I should definitely do that. As you can see, your boy is not wearing his jacket or anything else apart from the boots, because it's 40 degrees Celsius, which means about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's fucking hot. Oh no, Tamara Hassan Abed, Sector 14, Road 112. Oh shit. Sorry boys, this part of the vlog will be cut due to personal reasons. Time to head back. And it's so fucking hot. খাইমা টাইমা অবস্থা খারাপ হয়ে গেছে আমার. Nice sunset. Nice sunset. Maybe it was just, গাড়ি এদিক দিয়ে আসতেছে, so I need to go over there. So yeah, that was a embarrassing situation. Yeah, without engine brake, it feels a bit weird. And I widened the mirror too far, but look at the view. I mean, for us, it's a great view. I understand if you... Ooh, gravel. And the bike... where am I supposed to go, by the way? Right, yeah. I'll be a really nice guy. Try to take the roundabout as it is. Give my indicator. We're gonna watch. And then we are running wide. Wow. And I almost crashed. There are a couple of roads here, but not going there now, because my idiot friend is not taking up his phone, so I have to go and check, like, if he's doing okay. Is he lost? Should we go over that? No, we shouldn't go over that. It's my friend's bike. He's gonna kill me like motherfucker. Nah, he's a good guy, and he was really proud of the fact that I bought a Ninja 400. That also inspired him to take on his motorcycle journey. Ooh, lot of gravels. Let us stay clear of the gravels. Throttle full open. See, at third gear it goes around 70 kilometers an hour, so that's not bad. That's really good. Like, even as a 150cc bike, that's pretty good. But yeah, you can definitely see the gear clankings. What the fuck is that idiot? See, I can put it to neutral. Oh, I did. Nice. Ooh, nice.